It's got that European Japanese stink to it. Gotta love it. I just stopped at the P.O. box real quick, and I have a bunch of letters and packages I still gotta open for you guys, but every once in a while, I'll get a random package from you guys that doesn't have a name on it or anything, like they just ordered it straight to this P.O. box. And it's always a lot of stuff that just, you guys are trying to make my life easier, and you guys rock. You guys always thinking of me, and you guys kill it. You guys know I'm always using my phone flashlight for stupid stuff, and I really appreciate all the help you guys send out to me. And sometimes I get random ones, which I think are just fantastic. Like, look at that, it's so funny. But we'll definitely be using these at the shop. You guys are the best. Looks like Don's here, that's cool. He hasn't been down here much. Let's go see the progress that he's made on his kooky. What's up?
Yo, what's
I didn't
up?
expect you here.
Dude, we got work to do, bro.
All right, so Don took his time and washed this engine bay finally. Full grease and grime like they all get. And surprisingly, it's very, very clean. All we have to do is basically rip everything out of it. So that's gonna be fun. So Don's gonna be taking this apart. Like he's gonna be doing what I'm doing to my S13 right now. Refreshing his engine bay and then putting an SR. An SR20 slant top. Hell yeah.
An SR, guys.
Alright guys, so the main mission today is we're going to a dude that parts out E36s, a lot of M3s and stuff. So we're basically gonna grab as many parts as we can for the E36 right here for the best deal that we can tonight. See what he has. I'm hoping to cop a few M parts. I really want to do M bumpers, skirts, and mirrors and all that good stuff, and he has a lot of them. Hopefully we can get a big package deal, get it nice and cheap, and we'll start making a move on the E36. It also needs a few interior pieces here and there. I mean, if you guys saw the last video, she's a little rough and she needs a lot of love, but we'll get it. And you know what? I also realized last time that I didn't really say I didn't even say that it was a 325. So this is a 325i. It's automatic. I really don't know a lot about BMW. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do powertrain wise, because it seems like there's a few different engine choices you could put in either E36s. 325 seems like it'd want a whole boost pretty decent, so maybe we might do that. That'd be pretty cool. Before I start looking at anything deeper, what would you guys rather see? Because I'm all open for this car. Either way, it's going to be a sick car. And I didn't show underneath the hood. I meant to, but somehow it just didn't make its way into footage. That's just what happens. It's kind of hard to keep track of everything, but let me show you. The engine bay is surprisingly spotless for how gross this car is. See?
Wow, that's clean.
Right? But yeah, nothing too special with that. Completely neglected the fact that a lot of the viewers are from the UK and they see these every day, and to them that's not that cool. But either way, want an E36, and the fact that it's right-hand drive is just a little cool factor for us guys in the States, just because you never really see these. So sorry if it doesn't really woo you too much, but for now, waiting for DJ and RJ, because we're gonna go up there after 6 once the guy gets off of work and pick up the parts. I'm really excited. I guess in the meantime, I'll be productive and start taking this stuff off too. I gotta get the engine harness out. That's most important, most pain in the ass thing in here, so. What's really nice about what I'm really stoked about doing with this is cleaning up a little bit. There's a few sensors on here I could delete. I'm not using anymore, which is sick. It'll thin it out actually a decent amount. And what I also never really got to do is my breakout box. This box allows you to basically add extra pinouts on your ECU. So I could put in different gauges like a map sensor, intake air temperature sensor. So it gives me extra banks. And when I wired it in last season, when I went speed density, I had to use just like random wire I had around in the shop, non-color coded. It's a mess. It's ran really rough. It's not pretty. What I'm gonna do is take this apart and run this inside the harness so it runs nice and clean and looks OEM. Also disconnect the fuel lines, of course, and we gotta cap them just so you know nothing gets in the lines, no moisture or anything. Save us a headache later. I'm gonna pull the brake lines, fun part. Let's fast forward to now.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about going. Especially just the side. Thank you.
Alright, it's pretty much stripped. I gotta pull the booster, clutch master, which I'll do later. Getting those out with the cage is miserable. Might make DJ's little hands do it.
I'll get up in there.
But besides that, I'm gonna pull the harnesses off to the side, the fuse panels that is. That's really easy. And then we can just start scuffing the bay and go from there. It's nothing more than that. So just tedious work. DJ is here, my chauffeur for the day. We got his mom's Jeep, so we can fit all the parts in there. So we're about to head out to the E36 plug in a minute and grab a bunch of parts for this thing. Smoke his ass, DJ. That's right.
You don't want it.
You don't want it? Well, there's a bunch of E36s, dude. They're all sick. There's so many M's over here.
I think we're here.
Yeah, we're definitely here. All right, didn't really film much inside because, of course, I feel awkward, you know, filming someone else's area.
When we unload it.
But bought a lot more than I was anticipating.
Yeah.
Spent a little bit more money than I was anticipating,
But we got a lot. We got what we needed. Like,
it'll probably save me a lot of money in the long run, anyways.
yeah.
So
if you were to buy them online.
So let's get back to the shop and unload this stuff. And driving over here. All right, guys. So I've been emailing this other guy that had the rear bumper that I want really, really bad, and he has a few other parts, and just found out that he happens to be in the exact same town as the shop as we're on our way back. So hopefully if everything works out, we'll go take another trip, spend some more freaking money, and get the last bit of parts. Well, not the last bit. Get a couple more parts that I wanted, and that'd be freaking sick and all in one day. So. Fingers crossed. All right, so the guy I was talking to at Craigslist actually has an M3 rear bumper somehow, and we just found out he lives 2 miles away. So we're gonna unload the Jeep now, go get the bumper, and see what else he's got. This is working out very well. All right, so we got everything unloaded. So there's two transmission. There's a Getrag and there's a VF. I get the VF is better. Thought I was getting a VF. Got a Getrag. No worries. I got all these black interior pieces, A, B, and C pillars. Got the black visors. We got a black M3. We got a black suede M3 headliner. I realized it's for a sunroof. I don't know why we didn't think about it when it was there, but I actually got, one thing I did get a really good deal on was that headliner, and so I think I could just resell it for more probably and keep the black pieces for it. What's nice too is it also comes with a black dome light, which I can assume is actually pretty hard to find, so we'll get rid of that. So we got the M3 front bumper, has the trim on it, and it has the front lip and an extra door card, which I don't know if we're gonna use or not. And then the side skirts, which I think I got a good deal on these too. M3 side skirts, black with the caps and everything. I only paid $100 for these, which I think is a fantastic deal. They're in really good condition. We're gonna run to this next guy's house and see if he's got that rear bumper. Hopefully he does. I mean, I think he does. Hopefully it's not a piece of crap. All right, and we're back. We're running around like crazy, but we got the rear bumper. So, doesn't come with the rear diffuser. I guess they're like commonly breaking, so people sell them very quickly, so we didn't get that. But did get this for very, very cheap, and we got it literally 2 miles from our shop. He also threw in an extra trim for it because this one isn't in that great of condition, and then he got the supports for us too. This bumper isn't perfect. It has like a few little chunks missing here and there, and you could tell I think the car was rear-ended at one point, but we'll see what Brian Hall can do. Work his magic. He'll show me how to fix it, and we'll get that done. It's getting a little late, but I wanted to get a few things done today just for the hell of it. So we got a lot of parts. Gonna put a few things on. Then we are eventually gonna take them all off just to paint the car. It'll be fun to get it all together and see what it looks like for now. Some little thing which I was pretty stoked about is one of the parts car was black, and so I got this piece in black. And what this is basically, well, it's exactly right here. It goes above the license plate frame. And a lot of guys paint them black to begin with, so getting an OEM gloss black one was just an awesome move. It's funny how I feel like this will do so much, just like this little thing. Oh. Do you see this?
That is so gross.
This is like everything else on the car. This is actually pretty bad. This we'd have to sand the crap out of just to repaint it. Let's see this done. That looks great. That actually cleaned up a lot. The little things, you know? I still need a new badge on this, and we'll get the new tail lights, and it'll be sick. Honestly, guys, it's the little things that always add up. So the next little thing we got is the Fender lights right here. So these ones are the OEM ambers. What we're gonna do is we got some OEM clears, just like the Z.
So much better.
I'm about it. What should we put on next, DJ? Kind of, this one we already like kind of took off, so it should just
Pop off like so.
I might replace this door just because of this. So we might just take the stuff back off, but for the sake of test fit. Look at these little condoms on here.
He's customizing a clip at the moment.
So there's supposed to be a clip that slips into this end piece. So one, it holds this in place, and two, hold this against the door. And so I took one of these clips, just one of the middle ones, because it's not gonna really need it as badly. So I cut the ends off, and we're gonna file it down, and hopefully it should just slip right in, right here.
That way this doesn't fly off and you lose it.
All right, here's our modded one, and hopefully
It goes in.
there we go. Let's hope this sits deep enough. We don't have the Fender ones, so unfortunately he didn't have them in stock. So I have to get those probably on eBay, we'll find them, but we do got the rears. So we could put the rears on. Hopefully we have all the clips for these. That broke.
No, you need to save one. There you
There
go.
you go. Yeah, that's so much better. We definitely need to get the front one ASAP. That looks so stupid without it.
All right, so Jimmy is currently in the bathroom. He's been there for like 10 minutes. He was clipping these. I told him to wear goggles, glasses, and he didn't listen to me. So now he fucked up his eye. You good? Oh my God, it's so red.
My eye?
Yeah.
It's crazy how just trim really makes the car look a lot nicer. That's nuts. I was planning on driving this car a little bit and then modding it as it goes, but I kind of want to just take it apart.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Really plan on driving this car and then slowly modding it as I drive it, but I can't get myself to do that. I think we're just gonna go at it. I think we're gonna take it apart. I'm not gonna pull the typical YouTube move and rip the car apart and never touch it again. As you guys know, I like to finish my builds because I get eager. So hold on, before we put this thing on jack stands, I wanna show you guys how bouncy the suspension actually is.
Oh my God.
I'll get you there. Yeah, so that's not safe. So very, very good excuse to buy coilovers.
I did not know it was that bad. Like at all. I thought it was bad, but not like that. That's really bad.
Oh wow, okay, you can see the reinforced frame rail. It's pretty cool. Can you jack it up if you want, TJ? Let's get this bitch high. Oh, it is like a water bottle. Nice try.
What is that?
Imagine the dude in Japan that was just like broke his lightning and his buddy goes, I know.
Great idea.
I have a great idea. Come here, drink this milk.
Did you
No,
really
this
like
is like a strawberry container or something.
Yeah.
Like OEM replacement. Dude, it's a good shape. That's so funny. $40.
Come get him.
Come get them. If you guys are in Connecticut, $40. You can have these. You could say that they're drift spares, but DJ's got some nice drift spares for me.
Yeah, tires too.
Keep in mind the rest of the condition of the rest of this car, the mileage, and how old it is. And look at that. I've seen 2012s shittier than that. Look at that brake line. That's so cool. It's funny how the car literally looks better without wheels on.
Really good.
Doesn't it look? It doesn't look as old and like.
It looks like it belongs here though.
Already improved it.
Oh, yeah.
Wheel delete. Free. That's it. I'm surprised it comes out that easily.
I thought it was a lot worse than that.
Look how cool this is. It has docking that goes to the brakes. I mean, that looks a lot better. We gotta throw the lip on, it'll be pretty good. This thing surprisingly fits amazing, right, TJ? Why are you laughing? He's laughing, okay. So I thought I got a good deal on this bumper, and we comes to find out, it's literally brand new. Where is it? On eBay. Right there. It's brand, how much is shipping? Free. I got skunked. I gotta do more research, man. I'm too new to the European scene. Damn, this dude skunked me so hard today. Bumper looks good, bumper fits good. Not as good of a deal on it as I thought I did, but whatever, it fits great. All right, let's throw the front lip on. Lip looks good. I'm happy with the lip. Maybe even a bigger, even a more aggressive one might look pretty good.
Yeah.
But I'm really impressed. This lip fit amazing. Like, eBay or not, it was like the snuggest fit and it went on so easily. I trusted this man. I got skunked. You can't really see it too much because they're black and the lighting sucks in here, but the side skirts the side skirts will really bring it together too. Not bad.
All right, so Jimmy took about like 20 clips out of the rear bumper, and he's tired of taking them out, so we're just gonna rip it off. Come on. Are you doing it?
Well, that's how you do it, I guess. Holy hell. Look at these. Look at all these down here.
Clip, 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 clip.
Dude, Japanese cars are looking pretty nice right now. Oh.
What?
We're clipped. This ain't coming out now. So much stuff in my eye today. Poor eye. Definitely looks a lot better, I'll tell you that. Just gotta get the diffuser for it because it's missing, but that was a pain in the ass. Well, decent progress on the E36 tonight, even though it was like super last minute, put the stuff on. Gotta get the side skirts mocked up. I need those clips, then we can get those kind of clicked in. I think we're supposed to just drill holes in the stock rockers. Seems like that. So we got the full manual swap, which is sick. All I really have to do now is order a new throwout bearing and probably a new clutch. I don't really want to throw the stock clutch in there. So I was expecting a VF tranny, but I heard the get track is fine. That'd be good. We'll get this in. If the clutch comes in, I mean, we'll just do it this weekend. Why the hell not? I said we got to order a bunch of other little stuff to get this stuff to make this look nice. A lot of just small, cheap stuff like the corner lights, tail lights, and all that good stuff that they keep talking about. But so we got a lot ahead of us, but it's gonna be really fun. Car's gonna come together pretty quick. I'm really excited for it. Still early in the week, so hopefully we get all the parts in for the weekend and we'll get a lot of work done. I'm excited. They'll come together pretty quick. So it's super late. I can't even think straight. I keep stuttering over here, but like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. You guys know the drill. Have a good night.
Peace.